Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we are here in 11 miles Bull Bay, doing the final video down here in St. Thomas. I'm not sure if you'll see this video first or you'll see it last, but we are in 11 mile Bull Bay. So this is where they're making the mega bridge, which is basically the start of where they'll be cutting through the different hills, the different mountains, to one, reduce the length of the journey and improve the quality of the road as well. So gonna set up the drone so you can see some better shots, but this is a major part of the project where they're starting the bridge from right here in 11 mile Bull Bay, and then they'll cut through this hill or mountain first, along with some other parts as well, which you'll also see on some other videos. Those videos will either be before or after this one. The bridge is going up right now, block by block, length by length. And again, when I set up the drone, you'll see some better shots as well. So this is the start of the St. Thomas Southern Coastal Highway project, over 17 billion Jamaican dollars, and it starts with this major bridge which gonna bring us through a lot of hilly terrain. You know, I can't wait to drive on this road when it's completed. Gonna definitely vlog that for you guys. I know a lot of persons are excited for this major project because it's gonna bring more access into St. Thomas, into Portland, then more commercial activities, more development, more growth. So a lot of persons are excited and anticipating this as well. Remember to like, guys, like the video, leave a comment. You know, subscribing is free, so remember to subscribe as well so we can get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. And share the videos, share this video, other videos, so that persons abroad, persons outside of Kingston, persons that have not come this side for a while can see what's going on. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, cut out piece, put it on your TikTok, you know, so persons can see the major development happening down this side, a mega multi-billion-dollar development. So we'll be setting up the drone shortly. Alright, so we are on the grounds of this small plaza right on the border of St. Thomas. So again, we're in 11 mile Bull Bay. You have a small river and then a small bridge, which is the start of the parish of St. Thomas. So when it's rainy season, you know, this river will be full of water, and it's the same river they're making the bridge over. Alright, so 11 mile Bull Bay, or 11 mile Bull Bay, sorry, is where we're at, and we'll be setting up the drone, which is where the highway is gonna start. Leading up this point, coming from Arbor View, they're widening the road. I think they may turn it into 4-lane or just very wide with sidewalks. So from Arbor View to this point, it's basically widening off the road. They have purchased the properties alongside the road, widened the road, and then the highway now will start right here, which is going to cut out a lot of the old road to get you into St. Thomas. So won't do too much talking, let's send up the drone.